Tiny. Tiny and little lovely.
Tiny is 15 years old and I have had since she was 3 months old. She has lived in 4 different homes and met all our children. She has now got her fur coat for winter, but come summer it all falls out. The kids love Tiny and Tiny loves the kids, but she does like to explore the outside. She has bright blue eyes, a black face and black paws, along with a black tail.
Tiny, you hiding? You under the Christmas tree?
She is such a good cat and so relaxed around the kids. They could do anything to her and she just wouldn't care.
Give it kisses. I feed Tiny big sticks.
Tiny has her own little house in the garden where she can get shelter from the wind and rain. If you liked Tiny's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.